Hello, savvy money managers. Today, we're unraveling complexities of financial pitfalls and charting a course to avoid them. Money traps can be subtle, but armed with knowledge, you can steer clear and safeguard your financial well-being. So, let's dive into the art of financial navigation. First on our journey is the credit card abyss. It's tempting to accumulate credit card debt, but it's a trap that can lead to a cycle of interest payments. Let's explore strategies to use credit cards wisely and escape this financial abyss. Next up is impulse purchase pitfall. Those unplanned buys can add up, draining your funds. Discover the power of mindful spending and tactics to resist the lure of impulse purchases. Third, we encounter the overdraft overload. Overdrawing your account can result in hefty fees. Learn how to manage your finance strategically to avoid falling into this costly trap. Moving on to the subscription swamp. While subscriptions offer convenience, they can silently erode your budget. We'll discuss how to audit your subscriptions and escape the financial quagmire. Fifth on our journey is debt detour. Taking unnecessary debt can divert you from your financial goals. We'll explore ways to prioritize and tackle existing debt while avoiding new detours. Next, we confront the investment illusion. Blindly following investment trends can lead to disappointment. Gain insights into smart invest strategies and avoid the illusion of quick gains. 7. We explore the comparison conundrum. Constantly comparing yourself to others can drive unnecessary spending. Discover the antidote to this conundrum and find contentment in your financial journey. Let's not forget the emergency fund evasion. Neglecting to build an emergency fund can leave you vulnerable to financial shocks. Learn how to grow a safety net for peace of mind. 8th on our pause is the retirement roadblock. Delaying retirement planning can limit your options later. We'll discuss the importance of early planning strategies to overcome this financial roadblock. Penultimately, we have the budget bypass. Ignoring budgeting can lead to financial chaos. Explore practical budgeting techniques to stay on course and avoid the bypass to financial disarray. Finally, we navigate the saving sinkhole. Failing to save regularly can jeopardize your financial future. Discover effective saving habits and avoid the sinkhole that could swallow your financial goals. If you found this insight valuable, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more financial navigation tips. Until our next adventure in financial wisdom, keep steering clear of those money traps. This is Financial Whiteboard.